Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into your ABM University's account. So if you want to log into your ABM University, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can choose any browser you like, and after opening up your browser in search bar, you have to search for ABM University login. So ABM University also stands for a Bright Mind University. So if you want to log in that account, just tap on the second option, login, and it will take you to the login page of ABM University, which is also known as a Bright Mind University. So after coming up to that login page, enter your username and then enter the password. And after entering your username and password, just tap on go. But you can also enter your LinkedIn, Facebook or Twitter account if you would like. So after entering your username and password, just tap on go, and after tapping on go, you will successfully log into your ABM University account. And that's it guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.